Hello there, party people. Garrick Brown here, Garrick Brown Art Studio, and I'm thrilled to be with you once again. So, it's been a little while, but I'm getting, or at least releasing, some more of my Galaxy pours, and this is another installment to all of those wonderful videos that you can find in the description below. So, this is another edition or installment to the Pouring from Coast to Coast collab. We do this every other Friday with Meta, Britta, Tara, and Chris. And we always have a good time. These are my peeps. So, as always, make sure you check them out. These are my colors. I've listed them above in the description or below for some of you all. And I want you to just really enjoy. I chose some colors kind of randomly, and at first I loved what I got, but I'd never done really two straight pours, and I just wanted to keep going to see what I would get. And so the results were actually stunning. This piece has been sold and it is gone off to its lovely owner. So yeah, enjoy this video. So you all know that I'm always trying new things. Well, I tried a new white mix, or was experimenting with a new white mix, and you saw I mixed house paint, just a little sample with my deco art, and you will have to stay tuned to see if we got gorgeous big puffy clouds. I'm not going to ruin it for you, but it's good to experiment. I have a number of different white recipes that I have tried, and so this is just another one of those, and I like to show my experiments. So now I'm just filling up the cup with my colors, and then we'll be ready to pour this bad boy out.
There's always a choice. Can you help me?
Try. Try.